Sometimes you just want to go out and get some delicious seafood and have a crab cake. Let's make this one at home. 1 shallot minced, 1/2 green bell pepper minced, 1 red bell pepper minced, 2 garlic cloves grated, 2 tablespoons butter melted over medium-high heat. Cook your vegetables until tender, season with salt, and then remove from the pan and cool to room temperature. Next, you're going to want to grab your 1 can of crab meat, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon parsley minced, 1 teaspoon Old Bay, 1 teaspoon salt, half a lemon juiced and zested, 1 whole egg, and 1/2 cup of panko. If there's anything else that's worse than eating a crab cake, it's eating a crab cake with a piece of shell in it. Nobody wants to eat shell. Make sure you pick over your crab meat for shell. Don't eat shell. It's weird. Now we're going to mix together 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon parsley minced, 1 teaspoon Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a lemon juiced, 1 large egg, and then we're going to give all this a mix. Once it's all incorporated together, we're going to fold in our shallot bell pepper mix and our panko. Once that is done, we're going to fold in our crab. Kind of like making a souffle batter. You don't want to break up the crab any more than it already has been broken up. You want nice chunks of crab in your crab cake. Once you're done folding your crab mix, you're going to want to pop this in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to hydrate that panko. It's going to make your crab cake balls stick together a lot better. Speaking about balls, we're going to want to portion our crab cakes into 6 equal portions. I'm weighing out my crab mix here, and then I'm going to divide by 6 to get a perfect portion size. Don't worry, if you don't have a scale, you don't need to use it. You can just eyeball it. Now we're going to need some panko and a dish for breading. We're also going to need something round like a cookie cutter to form our crab cakes. Place your cookie cutter inside the panko and add in a crab cake. Remove your crab cake to a dish or a plate and rinse and repeat. Meow, we will make our aioli. We'll be using 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 juice of 1 lemon, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, about 2 tablespoons of minced parsley, a tablespoon of Old Bay, a tablespoon of chopped cornichons, and a tablespoon of chopped capers. Mix everything together and taste for seasoning. Now it's time to cook our crab cake. You're going to want to heat a pan over medium heat. Add in some ghee or clarified butter. You don't want to use straight butter. You're going to burn the butter fats and you're going to have very dark crab cakes, and that's not a good time. You're going to want to place your crab cake into the hot butter, cook until golden brown, and then flip with the fat away from you and the crab cake away, just so you don't splash yourself. Nobody needs to go to the ER. Once the crab cake is hot throughout, you're going to want to remove and drain some of that excess butter, and you can either eat now or put on a cooling rack and then pop these in the oven at 200 and wait for the rest of your crab cakes to cook. For plating, I'm going to do a little swoosher of our Old Bay aioli. I'm going to put down our crab cake, and then I made a little tiny slaw of fennel, apple, parsley, and a squeeze of lemon juice. And I have a little lemon squeezer just for an additional hit of acid. Now let's eat this thing. Now, I just want to say, I'm sorry for the delay in production on this video from my last video. It's been way too long. Now that I have a little bit more time to focus on these videos, I'm going to try to stylize it a little bit more and bring out more videos for you guys to enjoy. Keep an eye out for me to be in your inbox. So if you're not already subscribed, you just smash that subscribe button, hit the like button. If you have any thoughts or ideas on cooking videos for the future, throw them down in the comment section, and I will see you next time.